Hello, welcome to the Genesis Max assembly video. In this video, we're going to walk through the unboxing, assembly, and final checks of the Infinity Genesis Max massage chair. This is an easy assembly, so let's get started. Everything you need for this assembly is included in your kit. The only things you'll need are a place to assemble the chair and a box opener. When the chair arrives at your house, it'll be contained within these 3 boxes. Let's start with the largest of the 3 boxes. Use your self-supplied box opener to open up the top of the box. Let's open up the cardboard flaps and take a look inside. Here you can see the main body of the chair, and sitting on top is the accessory box. Let's open the accessory box and take a look inside. In the accessory box, we have the remote pocket, manual with the quick start guide, assembly instructions, and warranty card folded together. We also have a screwdriver, power cord, and the bag of hardware. These are the rest of the materials that you'll need to finish the chair's assembly. Now let's remove the outermost box from the main body. There's a number of ways you can do this. It is just a box after all, but we're going to team lift the box off the top. This leaves us free to remove the foam packaging and most of the plastic covering. The plastic can be a challenge to get off the rest of the Genesis Max. What we do here in this video is we lift the chair out of the cardboard tray and keep a foot on the plastic to allow us to lift the chair out of the plastic. With the body of the chair out of the box, let's get the rest of the pieces unboxed. The arms will be in the longer second box. When taking these out, we recommend leaning them on the sides of the main body of the chair. When possible, we recommend keeping the chair and its pieces off rough surfaces in order to not damage the chair. With the arms out of the boxes, let's get the footrest out here too. The footrest can be very heavy, so remember to lift with your legs and not your back. When everything's out of the box, let's do a final inspection of the pieces to make sure that everything is there. We should have the chair body and accessory box with its whole contents. There are the arm panels and the footrest with the foot pads. The next step of the assembly is to start attaching the arms onto the chair. Let's take a look at the arm of the chair. Here we are starting with the left arm. If you were sitting on the chair, this arm would be on your left. Here on the inside of the panel, we can see a number of important pieces for the assembly. There's the back hook, the nozzles for the air hoses, the support that will rest on the frame of the chair, and 2 holes for screws to firmly connect the arm to the frame. In order to properly connect the arm to the chair, we have to start by connecting the air hoses. Each air hose and nozzle are numbered on the left side of the chair. They're numbered 2, 3, and 4. So bring the arm close to the side of the frame and locate the hoses with the matching numbers. Then connect the hoses to the corresponding nozzles. With the air hoses connected, lift the arm and slide the hook onto the rail on the main frame of the chair. Then, using your hand that is towards the back of the frame, guide the connecting hook that we pointed out earlier and slide it into its resting place. It is also important that when you are sliding the arm into place, you do not pinch any of the air hoses in this process. Repeat this on the other side of the chair, making sure that all of the air hoses are matched with their corresponding nozzle. Slide the hook up from the arm of the chair along the support bar and guide the connector pin into place. With both arms in position on the frame of the chair, let's insert the bolts and secure them into their homes. Here we started with the long bolt. Inserted it into its position near the shoulder airbags. It should align with the screw hole that we pointed out on the arm of the chair earlier. This took some light maneuvering to get the bolt into place, but ultimately screwed in very easily. Once the screw is in place, we replace the cover and install the shorter bolt on the spot near the footrest of the chair. Repeat this on the other side. With the arm securely in place, connect the remote to its plug towards the foot of the chair. You will find the port under the seat cushion near the screw on the right arm of the chair. Use the connector ring built into the port to secure the remote onto the base of the chair. Plug the chair into power. Flip the switch on the side of the chair to the on position. Then, using the remote, press the power button to power the chair on. Then press it again to reset the chair to its upright position. With the chair in the upright position, toggle the power switch to the off position, and then move the footrest close to the foot of the chair. As you can see here, there are 3 electrical plugs and 1 air nozzle that will need to be connected. You can find the corresponding nozzle and plugs on the footrest. When connecting the electrical components, plug in the 6-pin electrical plug into the 6-pin port. Plug the 8-pin plug into the 8-pin port, and connect the 12-pin plug to the 12-pin port. Once you have the electrical plugs connected to the foot of the chair, connect the air hose. Make sure to not remove the anti-pinch spring from the air hose when you connect it to the chair. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that you will need to remove. The trick we found with this is to use the included screwdriver to gently lift the piece of the clip that is keeping it in place and slide it off the axle. Let's finish the install for the footrest. Lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin on the body of the chair. Slide the first one down the axle all the way. That should give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up and onto the other axle. Then replace the clips that we removed earlier. If you misplaced the ones that we removed from the chair, there should be some spares in the hardware bag in the accessory box. The last step of the footrest install is to zipper together the backrest cover with the footrest. Now that the chair is fully assembled, toggle the power switch back to the on position. Then turn the chair on with the remote. Run an auto program. During this auto program, listen to the chair to make sure that there are no unusual noises or air leaks. If everything is good, then feel free to take a seat and relax. Pick from any of the built-in auto programs or customize the massage yourself. Thank you for purchasing the Infinity Genesis Max massage chair. We know you're going to love it.